What's up, bladers? Welcome back to my channel. So bladers, today I thought something different, that just we always do CBT. I was bored of CBT. Don't worry, I will continue CBT. And also the 2 versus 2 tournament also between 4 A's. Don't worry, I will do it. But today I am gonna unbox. You will just see the thumbnail, guys, and the title. So this is the thing you want to see, right? Super Hyperion. Of course not Takara Tomy. Now you will tell me that why not Takara Tomy. You know, guys, we can't just afford Takara Tomy blades here. We can buy Yoga Instinct, but I was not having enough money. But still I got this Super Hyperion. Now you will tell me in how much. I will not tell you the price. Now you will tell me what's the website. No, it's a very confidential thing, guys. I will tell you, it's my promise, but let me cross 500 subscribers, then I will definitely tell you the website from where I buy in very cheap price, just $10 to $15. This cost me around approximately $13 to $14. So let's just get all the parts, okay? So here are our parts of Super Hyperion. Oh my god, Super Hyperion, one of the best attacking type blades. Because of this part, what we can say, these all parts are just really super cool. Before heading towards our detailing parts, just let me show you something. Teaser for 200 subscribers special, guys. Only 20 subscribers left. What are you waiting for? Just subscribe this channel, turn on that bell notification icon, and just, this is a teaser. Oh my god, World Spriggan teaser. Also have King Helios in line. Don't worry, we'll unbox many blades and review on them, but let's first focus on the present Super Hyperion chip. Focus. Okay, the chip, super cool blue color chip. Not to say much about the chip. Then Hyperion, not super ring is the Hyperion. Already applied the stickers. You can see the prongs of it, very good. Then we can see the super layer attack type focus super layer. Just see the blades on it. Oh my god, right spinning, too heavy, really too heavy. 1A attack type chassis, super cool chassis. I don't know how much star it contains. Oh, 3 stars, 1 2 3 stars. Okay, no problem. We can't compare it to Takara Tomy, but it performs as good as Takara Tomy. I researched on these blades and then only I buy it. You are telling that Infinite Achilles. No guys, I shouldn't buy Infinite Achilles. Its Dimension Driver breaks in some days, and Brave Valkyrie, of course not. That fully blade just broke in 1 or 2 days. Flame Brand, I'm talking about Flame Brand. So 1A chassis, 4 contact points, 1 2 3 and 4, and focusing on right spin. Oh my god, this is gonna hit a lot, this parts. Then very interesting part, this free spinning layer, just spin part and rubber. Oh my god, this is gonna be so much quick on the stadium. So just let's fix, or I can say just unite the whole combo, whole stock combo. So, chip goes inside, then rotate it. Okay, done. Then chassis. Okay, and let's feel the clicks. Can you hear it? not that much good clicks, but I am pretty sure this is not gonna burst, guys, as this chassis system is just very much good. I will really tell you guys, if in future DB blades come in Flame brand or Takara Tomy, I'm not gonna buy it, guys. I don't like DB blades at all. Why, I don't even know, but I don't like DB blades much. Compared to them, Super King sparking blades are much better. What is your opinion? Finally I got it. Test spin. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, I think it's gonna just break my stadium, yeah. Ooh, that hurts. That surely hurts. This part just is, that can hurt. Pretty quick, like quick dash in the stadium. Ooh, very nice. So tilt launch, let me try it one. Exceed part, I like it very much. This attacking, it just makes more good attacks, just like quick dash. Super cool as always. Now let's do some test battles. So which blade should I choose? So guys, first opponent is gonna be very easy opponent, God Valkyrie. So let's start the first battle. New one, shining God Valkyrie. Oh my god. Oh, I wasn't expecting this much from Valkyrie. Oh my god. Did it burst it? No, it didn't burst it. Only one click. What the hell? Second opponent is Alta Chronos. Unbalanced stamina. It again did Meteor Stinger. What the hell? That I had seen that Meteor frame is just now loosened, so it doesn't fit to all discs. No problem. I will just get what I see in my box in stock. Okay, I just found Nightmare Longinus. Let's do a test spin with it only. Oh my god, Nightmare Longinus was just trying too much hard to get inside, but Super Hyperion not allowing it. Once more, I love. What was that? He just camped Nightmare Longinus. Oh my god. Super Hyperion dominating. Nightmare Longinus was on final click. So this was my review on Super Hyperion. What do you think? How you liked it or not? If I tell you, then I liked it very much, but very much horrible and what I can say violent too. I just think that it will break my stadium very soon, and I have to buy a new DB stadium, I guess. God knows. But tell me in the comment section you liked the blade, and if yes, if no, then tell me the pros and cons of it. So hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe. We are very near to 200 subs. Unboxing coming soon, and also giveaway coming soon. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.